think I realized I was an entrepreneur very early on, as I've chronicled in my book, and I won't repeat too many of those stories. But essentially, every kind of small business that I got into, because the business family always has, यहाँ वहाँ सबके हाथ रहते हैं, right? That's the typical North Indian business family. So I dabbled in stocks, I dabbled in transport, and I realized that there was something about, creating businesses on my own, as in not big businesses, but धंधा यार, some deal जिसको बोलते हैं. So that कीड़ा, as we call it, was very, very clearly established. And then I worked in the real world, which is, the socks manufacturing business. And I'll give an example, Pranav, right? There, every day we used to have 7 people who used to come to the factory on an average to ask for a bribe. So Lower Parel mein agar aap factory chala rahe ho, there'll be at least 7 people who will ask you for a bribe every day. Now, as a 22-year-old, 23-year-old, is a very depressing beginning, right? That people are coming to ask for things that we don't owe them.
Yeah.
So that was kind of a very big dampener on my spirit. And then I came across the internet very early on in 98, 99, and that's how I started. So I would just put it a little more towards the viewer rather than my own journey. My own journey has been there, it's old and dusted. I think for anybody watching, there are so many opportunities around you. And it started from the caveman, right? The caveman had an opportunity to get out of the cave and become who we have become. So never ever feel that, oh, all the ideas have been done. Abhi, what can I do? There is at least 100 new things worth exploiting at any given time, COVID or no COVID. And that is the true spirit of an entrepreneur. So while gaming has completely boomed, I invested in a company called Koimoi, which is actually my company. It's a Bollywood portal. Now, kya hua, Pranav, there, when COVID struck, right? My team was kind of shattered, and they came back to me and said, Alok, what do we write about? Bollywood has shut down. So kuch likhne ke nahi hai. And games too, in about 5 years ago, we had stopped making games for India because we didn't find the market remunerative. So we had moved. So yeah, I just mentioned it by the way to the team, saying that, and this is such casual conversation, you're not even supposed to be taken seriously, right? So I just told them that, yeah, if we can make games for the US, you can write for articles for the US. मतलब ऐसे casually मैंने बोल दिया. Now what these guys have done is they completely pivoted their business to writing for the US. And it's such a transformation. I mean, we have had our highest revenues in July in the history of Koimoi, because the US is 22 times more monetization than in India.
Yes.
Even if you get 1/5 of the traffic, you've got 4x more revenue, right? So it's incredible. And that's what I think it is, right? So I was just telling a Reuters lady just now when I was speaking that, look at the arbitrage, right, Pranay? This is dhande ki baat.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, on Hollywood, what are you going to read? You're going to read, most of the people want to read gossip, they want to read news, they want to read old stuff, right? Friends is a perpetual story style. Now, if I have a writer sitting in, now we've got a writer sitting in Bareilly writing online for us. And you've got a writer sitting in Santa Monica writing the same content. Look at the cost arbitrage, right?
Absolutely.
So it's amazing. I mean, you can do anything with technology now.